हादसे पर क्या कहेंगे? पहले पूरे हादसे के बारे में आपसे जानना चाहिए।
पहले
जी
दुख की बात है,
बहुत
जी
दुख की बात है, दुख की बात है। बहुत परिवारों को नुकसान हुआ है, काफ़ी लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है, तो दुख की बात है। मैं इसको राजनीतिक प्रिज्म से नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, मगर प्रशासन की कमी तो है जी, और गलतियाँ तो हुई हैं, फोन थोड़ा साइड करिए, तो ये पता लगाना चाहिए। और शायद सबसे ज़रूरी बात कि कॉम्पनसेशन सही मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये गरीब परिवार है
जी
और मुश्किल का समय है इनके लिए, तो कॉम्पनसेशन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। और मैं यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर से विनती करता हूँ कि दिल खोल के कॉम्पनसेशन करें।
सर, परिवार वालों के लिए क्या कुछ कहा?
राहुल जी आपने बड़ी बात मुआवजे की कही है, 2 लाख की बात उन्होंने कही है, तो मुआवजा निश्चित तौर पे ज़्यादा उनको मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत गरीब लोग हैं।
मिलना चाहिए, गरीब लोग हैं, इस समय इनको ज़रूरत है। तो अगर आप मैडम जवाब देने दीजिए, इस समय इनको ज़रूरत है। अब आपने 6 महीने बाद दिया, 1 साल बाद दिया, डिले किया, तो उससे किसी का फायदा नहीं। भैया आप मुझसे सवाल पूछते हो,
एक बार बोलने दो,
मैं जवाब देता हूँ, आप जवाब खत्म नहीं करने देते हो।
बोलने
क्या
दो
है?
जी
तो आपने सवाल पूछा है, तो जिसने सवाल पूछा है उसकी इज्जत कीजिए। तो क्या था
सवाल? ये था कि मुआवजे की
मुआवजा जल्दी से जल्दी देना चाहिए, और जितना दिया जा सकता है दिल खोल कर देना चाहिए।
सर, परिवार वालों से आपकी बात हुई, उन्होंने क्या कुछ कहा? किसको दोषी मानते हैं? जी
देखिए, परिवार वालों से मेरी पर्सनल बात हुई जी, उनके परिवार के बारे में, उनके बच्चों के बारे में, माता के बारे में, वो कैसे थे, क्या करते थे, तो वैसी बात हुई है। उन्होंने कहा कि प्रशासन की कमी है, उन्होंने कहा कि जो अरेंजमेंट वहाँ पुलिस का होना चाहिए था वो नहीं था, ठीक है। बट बहुत दुख में है, शॉक में है, तो ऐसी सिचुएशन में मैं मतलब उनकी जो स्थिति है, उनकी सिचुएशन है, उसको समझने की कोशिश करता हूँ।
Devastating incident leaving disconsolate devotees only with agony. CNN News 18's Anvit Srivastava is joining us on the broadcast. Anvit, what's even more surprising is that the main accused is still absconding. We don't know the whereabouts of the Baba responsible here. In fact, he has not been even mentioned in the FIR at this point of time. What do we know about these 6 people, in fact, who have been arrested? They are majorly the organizers and the volunteers, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, mostly all the people who had been named in the organizing committee are those who had provided logistical help for this Samagam to take place. Some had contributed financially, some provided logistical support like food, water, other things, and their roles have not been specified by the police, but they have said that some in the other manner they supported logistically largely for the Baba's organizing committee to hold this Samagam. Police have said that yes, Baba's name has not been included in the FIR. Previously, Yogi Adityanath also said that as and when the investigation proceeds, and if required, they will include his name in the FIR, and that is what yesterday IG Shalabh Mathur also went on to say, that depends on the investigation, and if need be, his name will be included. Right now, the focus of the police is that the main accused who has been named in the FIR, Dev Prakash Madhukar, NBW soon will be issued against him, non-bailable warrant, and an amount of reward rupees 1 lakh has also been announced on his arrest. So the police's focus is right now to make the initial arrest of the main accused. 6 people have already been arrested, but the main accused still absconding. Yesterday we went to his house in close by area, Sikandra Rao, where this incident took place. The site of incident is just 3 kilometers from his house. We went there, but the house was locked. We interacted with the locals. They told us that he has been absconding since the day of incident. Police teams have been formed, multiple teams have been formed. They are tracking his locations, and the intelligence apparatus has also been activated, is what the senior police officials told us yesterday. And we'll see if how soon is this arrest made, because this will be a crucial arrest. Also, those who have been arrested, their custodial interrogation will be done once their custody is sought from the court, and then what they divulge, based on that also further the investigations will proceed.
Right, Anvit, thank you so much for sharing all of that with all of our viewers. At this point of time, we've got a ground report also coming in, putting a bit more clarity about who's who in this entire case, of course, based on the preliminary report and all the words that we have picked up straight from our sources. Take a look.
His house, we are reporting right outside from that house. Right now the house is locked. You can see the house has been locked from outside, and the police have said that a non-bailable warrant will soon be issued against Dev Prakash Madhukar, whose house this is, and against whom the allegations are that he was the chief organizer of the event of Baba Hari Sakar's event where stampede was set off, and 121 people have been killed while 31 have been left injured. Police have also said that ₹1 lakh reward on his arrest has been announced. 6 people have already been arrested who are said to be sevadars of this organizing committee of the event, and Baba is police have said that they have not said have any contact with the Baba whose event it was, and also they have said that Dev Prakash Madhukar has been absconding. Police have come out and said officially that he is absconding right now, and they have not been able to set any contact with this man. He is said to be the main organizer. He has been named as the main accused in the FIR. The Baba, however, has not been named as the FIR. Police have said that as the investigation further proceeds, then he might be named in the FIR. Madhukar, police have said, was the head of the organizing committee of this entire incident that took place, and this is his house. We are reporting right outside from this house. We tried to reach out to people inside, but the house remains locked, and when we spoke to the locals, they have said that Madhukar and his family members have left this place, and police are now trying to track them down. This is a small district, and we understand there are infrastructural challenges as well. What was the first initial hour when the incident took place? We were told that more than 100 distress call landed with the DM control room, DM office control room. How was the response in the first 1 hour? That was very crucial.
As soon as we, the idea was to use all the resources at our disposal, and not only the district, but also surrounding districts. So our senior officials also came to the spot, and after due consultation, it was decided to move the injured and the dead to nearby hospitals and to the hospitals at Hathras. So that was done, and after setting up the control room, we got a number of calls from the affected families, and their data was noted down. And since by the time the photos of the unidentified also had been accumulated in the control room, so that was used to identify the unidentified.
Sir, one last question, because you oversee the administration. Where is you think the investigation is headed, and what is the future course?
The investigation is being carried out, and the investigation is being carried out by the police, and the inquiry into is also being carried out. So that will happen sooner.
And on a somber note, it's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. Stay with us. We'll come right back. Do stay tuned.